Good morning. Good morning. Brenda is coming with us for, there we go, take the turn.
I'm meeting the Fit Mick Jagger today.
Going to do a Beatles Stones show at the Charlotte Harborside Convention Center. And first show that she's come to see for quite a while.
Years.
So anyway, should be fun. Okay, so great timing. The first time Brenda in years comes to see a show, and we got a tropical storm on the way, Etta. I don't know if that's not a name, is it? That's a Greek alphabet, I guess. Anyway, we got a tropical storm on the way, and Brenda and I are heading to the Charlotte Harborside Performing Arts Center, or Charlotte Harborside Convention Center, something like that, to do a couple of shows today. One at 2 o'clock, a matinee, and then a night show, hopefully. If the
Yes, it is.
Yep.
It's on. We're here.
Give me a day off.
And there's Donovan. Hello. You know there's a tropical storm. That's why I'm here. Hi, Karki.
Good morning.
Good morning. I haven't seen you since we traveled to Europe, and you gave us the best beef jerky. It kept us rolling, Karki.
Okay, hey, you know.
That was so great. Oh man, it kept us rolling on so many hours of walking and buses and oh my goodness, Karki.
Okay.
I meant to thank you, but I didn't get a chance to see you till now.
That's quite okay, I'll tell you. I was happy to help you.
Oh, it was great.
We experienced the same thing, you know. You get in situations where
yeah, where you can't eat.
Yeah.
Where it's hours before you're going to eat,
yeah,
you know,
sure.
and you're starving because you got up at 6:30 to do the stupid tour. So, all right, I'm going to go in and say hi. I'll see you around.
sounds
Look
good.
forward to hearing you play.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. All right. It's kind of fun to be here in Port Charlotte, actually Punta Gorda. Just unpacking everything right now at the Charlotte Harbor Convention Center, getting ready for the show at, I believe it starts at 7. This is really cool. Oh, wow. Nice mural. Check this out. Oh, so cool.
There he is. What you got there, man? What you got? Popcorn.
We have a new friend in Sessions.
Of course you did. Of course you did. Goes without saying.
For a shout out tonight during the show.
Uh-oh. The mask. I don't have my chin diaper.
This is for today.
Oh yeah. I love it. There you go. Starry night. Starry night.
I see them here.
Social distance. That's not a bad little set. Let's see how they have this. They must have groups of 2 and 3 and whatever. That's a pretty good little setup. Okay, big show tonight. Cocky, tell me everything about life.
I'm sorry?
Tell me everything about life.
Well, life is good, man.
Life's good?
Life is good.
I knew it.
Life is good, man.
I knew you'd tell me that. I was filming you, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I saw part of your video.
Which one?
The one that you did the other day at Sydney Burke.
Oh, yeah?
I saw it. Pretty cool. That was cool.
Not quite ready to sing this, but that's okay. Your beast, am I hard enough? Thank you, Frenchie.
We got one more to do.
Oh,
No, you don't.
yeah, that's right. Thank you, Frenchie.